of course, group number 5. There you go. Romy Ann Tugado, Mika Balena, and Angel Marie Pauline Ruby. And of course, the leader would be Zaria Lilu Tuazon. And the name would be the Three Sisters Chef. Give them some love, mga kalabuhan natin ang ating group number 5. Thank you very much. Ayan. No further. Okay, so habang pinag-prepare ng ating mga little chefs ang kanilang dish, so definitely nasa big natin ang criteria. So, ladies and gentlemen, mommies and daddies, the criteria would be the neatness and sanitation, 15%. Originality of the dish, 15%. Taste and quality, of course, the most important thing, 30%. Overall impression, 20%. And presentation and plating, 20%. For the total of 100%. Yeah. So for our audience, no, mommies and daddies, nandito ngayon sa atin, while we are waiting for the little chefs, we will first have a cooking demo with Chef DJ. We will go to prepare us a chef hot dog congee. Alright? So ladies and gentlemen, mommies and daddies, and so welcome, Chef DJ. Thank you, Chef.
So, can you hear me? Now, for this afternoon, our folks are preparing our classes. We will prepare a congee. And not just, I'm not ordinary congee. No. Okay, again. Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, much better. So, for this afternoon, while we are waiting for our folks our dishes, well, we're going to start first with a very nice dish. So here is the congee. This is, we are going to prepare this one using this. I have our Donna Maria congee. Now, the Donna Maria congee, guys, every time that we prepare congee, we have rice. We put down in the kettle. This can only be this one time of our Donna Maria congee. Anyone who tries anymore, it's all only one now. It's called our congee. After a aroma of jasmine rice, of course the jasmine coming from rice.
Lagyan mo na yung butter,
Ito na. We're going to start off first by sauteing our oil. Now, first, we have here one bowl of milk. This is for sauteing. So we're going to heat this one up.
Kalahatiin mo lang.
Here. Put in our oil here. And then, next ingredient will be our ginger. So, let's put in our ginger first. Yan. Okay, here you go, Sam. Good luck. And later on, you're going to have a taste of your dishes. So, what we do for that, I'm happy preparing a very nice congee. This is, again, a Jerusalem juicy hot dog congee. Okay, when you say congee, it's a very nice rice dish. Just like udon, but this time, not udon, our scallop, six colored. But this one, it's not colored, it's simply white. Okay, white has no. So, you can use this one for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Okay? And not only that, you can also use our Donna Maria congee rice congee. Even though for congee, but also for champorado, for any type of rice dishes na kailangan mo ng congee na natin.
Nagdagay niya pa.
So, basically, you want
Yung bawang.
your ginger.
Yung bawang. Dagdagan mo pa kalahatiin mo ha.
And then, we are going to add in our onions. Let's add in our onions, red onions, which we don't use quite a lot. Saute until it's
Dagdagan mo pa yung kalahati. Butter, dagdagan mo pa yung butter. Sibuyas muna ng bawang. O yan, sibuyas muna bago yung bawang. Sibuyas na. Ayan, good yun.
Our ginger mixture and pork. Right now, I'm adding our supper.
Sibuyas, ilagay mo na yung sibuyas. Sibuyas na.
Right? For your rice, we put it with
Garlic, Saria, ilagay mo na yung
again,
garlic.
one mixture natin is combination of your ginger, onions, and pork from garlic. Okay? So, what I'm doing right now is I am letting the oil, flavor oil, coat our rice. For example, the Maria has wanted a rice, for the rice. Here. Okay, so you can also use this one, quick one right here. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. This one, our section line are, I can see some are finishing in your place. Okay, yes. For this group, okay.
Tapos lagyan mo na ng bawang yan. Ito na maglagay. Lagay mo lang dyan.
Okay.
Huwag ka na mag-butter.
Again, set up for this. Again,
Simutay mo lahat ha.
Right, get burned.
Ayos na sa gilid.
Here, and then mix it. Here. Now, after mixing it, it's my time to add it to sesame one. Okay. Again, the sesame one, don't use that for today. Use this one. It's a nice flavoring ingredient. You can add it at the end here. Okay. And then